In this quick Blender tutorial, we'll learn how to align the camera to our current view. A super handy trick when you want to render exactly what you're seeing in the viewport. All right, first things first, make sure you have a camera in your scene. If you accidentally deleted it, just press Shift-A, go to Camera, and add one back in. Now, to align your camera with the view you're currently seeing, press Ctrl Alt Numpad 0. You'll notice that your camera instantly snaps to match your exact viewport angle. Pretty cool, right? But here's the thing. By default, you can't move or navigate the view while inside the camera. To fix that, press N on your keyboard or click on the small arrow icon on the right side of the viewport to open the sidebar. Then go to the View tab, scroll down a little, and tick the Camera to View option. Now, when you press Numpad 0 to go into the camera view, you can move, rotate, and zoom just like in normal view, and the camera will follow your movements. This makes it so much easier to perfectly frame your shots or animations. Once you're happy with your camera angle, it's a good idea to untick Camera to View so you don't accidentally move it again while working. And that's it.